What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Change Production. I just wanted to make a quick video to touch bases, check in with my subscribers, and let you guys know what's going on with me with investing at this current time and what I'm doing my next plays here, and what I'm planning to do in the future here. So, but before I get into that, I want to look at this article right here. I'm on my blog at newsderailblogspot.com, and on my news blogs, on my news site, I got this article: hackers sell 100 million in cryptocurrency. The Washington Post published, or the Washington published. Hackers seize a blockchain bridge developed by Concord and swindle roughly 100 million in cryptocurrency. The corporate introduced. Blockchain features as a decentralized ledger, a document of transactions that's publicly obtainable and verifiable, however, not maintained by anybody, any particular person. I don't know why they got anybody. Making it helpful for monitoring digital foreign money. A blockchain bridge is actually a method of decentralized switches between ledgers, making it a primary goal for artful opportunists. Concord, a blockchain firm, said in a collection of tweets Thursday night that hackers exploited the corporate Ethereum and Binance chain bridge in a theft amounting to 100 million. Concord stated its Bitcoin bridge was not affected. So I'm not gonna read all of this. I just wanted to go over some of it with you guys here, just to make everybody aware. Like, even though we in a bear market, Bitcoin is gonna get below 10,000 here soon. It doesn't mean the hackers aren't still out here. Don't fall for the double your Bitcoin or Shiba or whatever altcoin you got generators that be online or on YouTube advertising under the like his Elon Musk talking in front of his board or whatever, his employees or staff, however you want to refer to them. Anyway, that stuff is all fake. That's hackers trying to deceive you. That's just ways that tech or schemes they use to take the unsuspecting cryptocurrency. So be mindful what you're investing. That before you go in, do your due diligence. Let's go do our, a a quick research on the company on Google and check out their ratings and see what other investors are saying about them. Don't just blindly invest your money and expecting to, to double it or triple it or get 10,000% gains in a couple days or 2 weeks or whatever. It doesn't work like that. Hackers work like that. They bait you with deception. They appeal to your inner heart's desire, what they verbiage, how they communicate and convey their message across on the internet. I mean, you got to remember, they words are of their own self. An idol doesn't come to instruct men. They only come to abuse their confidence for their own gain. That's what an idol is, and that's the word of the sovereign Lord Yahweh. So that's what this is. These are just idols wreaking havoc on us unsuspecting investors. That's what happened to them. This shows you that this can happen to any of us. This is a big pump corporation that got a hack for $100 million. I mean, this is crazy. So stay on your toes and do your research and don't fall for any of the schemes that hackers do. And be careful what sites you go to and links you click on YouTube on YouTubers videos, because hackers air videos, upload videos on YouTube. And what they'll do is they'll have you click on some malware from a link by downloading some software on your computer, and then when you copy your cryptocurrency address and you send it to like an exchange or to your Coinbase wallet to cash out your return and put deposit into your bank account, those numbers, those characters for your currency will change to the hacker's address. And if you don't look at those numbers before, check your numbers to verify the characters are the correct characters before you send whatever cryptocurrency you're about to send, wherever you're going to send it at, the hacker's going to steal it. because you didn't verify that it was your characters to your wallet, whatever that wallet was, whether Coinbase and Exchange, wherever you were sending the money, private ledger, they changed. So be cautious of that. You know, be cautious of it. And if you do get some software like that on your computer, you have to get online and download, pay like I think 60 bucks and download the software, and they'll take all the malware off your computer, and then you won't have that problem anymore. So you have to be careful. But don't fall for the Bitcoin generators. Pay $1,000 or $5,000, and you'll make 5 Bitcoins a day. It's all a lie. When me and my brother first got into this business with crypto in 2017, we uh we fell and learned all the secrets that these hackers got in place at that time. So what we noticed is it's the same pattern. They just modernize it for every year. They update it according to whatever the corporations are doing at that time. You know what I'm saying? Like it's DeFi is big right now. So hackers come up what's back in 2017 they called them hype sites, where you will get paid 10% a day, for if you invest 20 bucks, what I'm saying, you would make $2 a day every single day. So that stuff adds up when you look at how little money you got and how much you getting in contrast to how much you invest. And those sites, they will keep your initial investment and pay you back your initial investment, and you will profit at a certain amount of time. It may take 2 weeks, it may take a month, may take 2 months. It just depends on what the APY, or the APY, not the APY, but the percentage is on the hype site, because that's what it is, a hype site. If you're unfamiliar with hype sites, just type in hype, HYPI, I think, hype, HYPI sites, and you'll have watch boards that'll pop up where they investigate, kind of like a watchdog site. They tell you whether or not this is paying or not, if it's a scam or not, and all this stuff. They give you a little bit of history on the website and the company, the lending platform. So the interest, or the high interest bearing account with the platform that it's on. So you have to be careful with what you're doing when investing, because Bitcoin is going down. Hackers is looking to maximize their return on all the software that they use to hack us. Those that are vulnerable, they can get your email, can get on the dark web, and all they got to do, what they have networks where they buy information, just like sales reps and insurance, or mortgage companies. They buy people that recently applied for finances information, and there's companies like Experian and etc. and LendingTree that sell that information to their partners, and their partners reach out to them and call the customers directly the next day, and they weed out the good and the bad. Those that ain't interested and those that are interested. Those that are interested, they pursue and get their business. That's what hackers do. They have their own network. They buy information. That the information is being hacked from hackers. That's what these breaches are dealing with, like companies that get breached and all the customers' information gets stolen. Yeah, that stuff gets put on the dark web. And how hackers got to do is go through their networks, they chain of networks, and buy the information and wreak havoc on it. It has all the passwords to. I mean, they can access all the passwords to all of your accounts, and you'll find. And if this has happened to you, or if is happening to you, there's a way that you can get your email off the dark web, and there's places that you can reach out to that fight to get your name removed from those lists. And you have to change your password and all this stuff, and secure your account, make it more, even put multi-factor authentication on there. So, but then, with that, there's a risk as well with the two-factor authentication, because hackers, it was a big YouTuber in 2017, Trayvon James, who was like real big with this platform called BitConnect, which was a big scam. It was a $1 billion company. They made all that money in a little over a year. and they closed it down. They stole all investors' money. Anyway, the feds got involved with certain characters. They finally found a guy that ripped off all the investors. He was from India. I think they found him last year. They was sitting and waiting. The cops, the law enforcement was waiting on them to cash out the money. Finally, years, so or 3 years, he finally cashed it out after 3.5 years, and they got him. They was able to get him. So my point in saying all this stuff is that everything can be traced, and that with blockchain, with the ledger, you know what I'm saying, you can see what's going on. It just they catch you when you cash out. But some of the smart hackers got their own ways that they pull things off. I don't necessarily know all of what is involved and how they pull it off, but I know what I've already mentioned. That's what I know. That's what I'm telling you. So stay on your toes, guys, and be mindful and be mindful of the sovereign Lord Yahweh. Seek Him. I got blessed. Me and my brother got blessed, and my wife got blessed with our investment. Invested in the last 4.5 years. We've had to go around with the good times with Bitcoin in the stock market and the downtimes. And he's enabled us to make money in both markets, the bear and the bull market. So it's a way. And what the secret to our success was is that we were praying. We were seeking Yahweh for direction with investing. And we was researching all the companies that we invested in before we invested in them. We did our due diligence, and that's what influenced us to go with it after we prayed over it. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people don't talk about that, but that's the secret. Why don't Yeshua in the gospel talked about the three servants with the three different talents, the one with five, one with two, and one with one. So investing's always been a part of the fabric of creation with Yahweh, because that's what He is. He's not just an inventor; He's an investor. He invested in mankind and all of us in creation, all of creation. He invested in the world that He created in the heavens. You know what I'm saying? He made it all for Himself and shared it with us, His children. You know what I'm saying? The righteous. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying that. I just want to be as transparent as possible as I can on my channel and just bring the truth to light, you know what I'm saying? In these dark times. So you guys have a good time, good day, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, regular guy who makes smart investing moves and just document my journey as I go on. If you guys want to go back through my old videos from 2017 and 2018, you'll learn a lot of stuff that we was doing. I was the people that was with me in the beginning. We all was making money because I was telling them about tickers I was getting into and telling them what I'm telling my new viewers and my new subscribers. I appreciate those that have just subscribed to the channel, and I hope that you tell your friends and relatives and co-workers and people you meet about Chump Change Production and Antoine and what we're doing over here. I'm gonna keep bringing the news and the facts to enlighten those that want to hear and learn and advance in their investing journey and spiritual journey as well. Because I don't just talk about one aspect of investing. I want to bring the whole picture, the whole pie, not just one piece of the pie, but the whole pie, the whole story. I want it all documented so that we can witness the future generations when they come to this channel, they see that all the people that comment in the sessions about what happened for them and what they think and they thoughts at that time, it's a record of it. People see that and be like, man, there's hope for us. You know what I'm saying? If all we got to do is what these guys did, and we can pull it off. You know what I'm saying? The sovereign Lord Yahweh will make it happen for us. He'll bless us. That's what I want to do is create a legacy. I'm trying to get my channel back remonetized. So, and I'm trying to get my subscribers back up. At one time, this channel had over 8,000 subscribers, so I've lost a lot of subscribers just because I wasn't available to post, I wasn't able to post videos because I was having some health problems and some other issues, for a little bit of time, and then with working, I just didn't have time for it. But I kept investing. I just was documenting it in my journal. You know what I'm saying? Making mental notes and documenting things that I was doing. But anyway, that's about it, guys. You have a good day. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my investing and spiritual aspects of my life with you guys. Stay blessed. Peace.